In this video, we're going to look at how to run IRB from a Windows machine. And IRB stands for Interactive Ruby, and we actually looked at it in other videos a little bit more in depth, but this one we'll look at the different platforms, how you access it. So in all the platforms, IRB can be accessed from a command line prompt. As long as your paths are set up correctly, you can just type in IRB, and that takes you to the Interactive Ruby prompt, as you see here. And it works, and it's a full prompt, does whatever you'd like it to do. So there we have string, we can echo string, we can reverse string, we can play around. So this little shell allows you to do what the name says, which is interact with Ruby. But I'd like to show you on Windows a program that really makes things a lot nicer in many ways, and that's called fxri, which is a graphical interface to the documentation, which is cool in itself, but it also includes IRB running here. So you can actually browse this documentation and fool around with stuff if you're trying to figure out how to build a script or something, and it's searchable. So if I type in string and I want methods, so I go in here and try that, I can see all these string methods that come up here. Like just did that reverse one. So let's go down here and find reverse. Here's reverse, and you can see what it does. So reverse returns a new string with the characters from string, the original one, in reverse order. So we'll do this again and do string reverse. There you go. And there's all these other interesting methods that you can take a look through and see their documentation for there. So fxri is installed when you use the Ruby installer that we covered in another video, and it's just sitting here in your programs sub-menu of your start menu, and it runs pretty easily and runs pretty nice, and that's how you get access to IRB.